Hello, welcome once again to Just Tech Solution. I'm really grateful for the likes and comments and the subscription. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to password protect Word documents or PowerPoint documents. Let's get straight into the video. What does it mean to password protect your document? This encrypts the file's content, so it can't be accessed by anyone or read by any program without entering a password you have created on the document. Now let's get straight into the video. With this example, I try opening a file. You realize they ask me, after I double click on the file, I've been asked to provide a password. Isn't this great? Or isn't this secure? Now I type in the password because I'm the owner and I created it. I hit OK. Now I can see the content in it. Isn't this amazing? You can protect your file from people accessing it, making changes to it. So let's get in how to create a password protect on your document. Double click on the file in which you want to password protect. You see this one, I double click, it just opened so everyone can access it. So now click on file. With the pop-up menu, go to info, and with that pop-up menu to click on permission, so protect documents. With the drop down button, click on encrypt with password. You see it asks you for a password, and you don't forget, if you forget the password in which you've created, everything or the content in it can't access it anymore. So you type in the password you want to and click OK, re-enter the password and click OK. Click on save and close the file. So try opening the file in which you created again. So if you double click on the file, you realize it asks you for password, meaning you've password protect the file so no one can access it. So you can create a thing like this and send it to someone if you don't want people to have access. So right now, let's talk about how to password a PowerPoint file. You realize this one too, the same thing. I double click, they ask me for password. So let's try doing it on our own. So let's create our own file in which we want to protect. So now with our file, now click on file the same way we did for the Microsoft Word. Click on file, go to permission, password protect, then click on the encrypt. Provide a password in which you want to. And don't forget, if you forget your password, that's it, you lose your file. You save it as and locate where you want to put it. Then you click on save if you've not saved it already. So now close it and open it again. You realize you are being asked for password. So you type in your password and click on OK. Voila, it's open. Isn't this great and secure? Now, one will be like, how do I remove password protect from my document? So, locate where the document is. Double click on the document in which you want to remove the password protect from. After typing in your password and click on OK, go to File, Protect Document. With the drop down button, click on Encrypt with Password. Now the password you've set, delete it from there and click on OK and save it. Now close it. Try opening it again. double click on it. You realize it didn't ask you for any password, so meaning the password has been removed from the document. Let's do the same to the PowerPoint folder, PowerPoint file we created. The same thing, open it, provide your password, and click on OK. Go to File, like you did to the Microsoft Word. Click on Protect Permission. Delete the password you provided and click on OK. Save and close it. Double click on it. Double click on it. You realize it didn't ask you for any password. Isn't this simple? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, bell button to be the first to be notified anytime I upload a video. As I always say, practice makes a man perfect. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.